back to our channel.
Today we have an exciting video for you guys. We were reached out by a new clothing subscription company called Fashom to try out some of their clothing items.
And so today I got my box.
I'm still waiting for mine in the mail, so at some point when that hopefully arrives soon, we will do my unboxing video and we'll just combine it into one video so that you can see both at the same time.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. I'm kind of nervous. I don't really do this kind of stuff, so yeah. I don't really.
We've watched some videos on YouTube of people doing these unboxings, that the people that have started to get the boxes, and the quality isn't necessarily the best on some of the clothing, so we're kind of curious to see what it's gonna be like
in person. So the items that I got, because you'll get like a little preview in the app, looked interesting, so I'm excited to see, intrigued, nervous, all the emotions.
Meg's never done a subscription box before, so I've done Stitch Fix, she hasn't, so
similar to the other clothing subscription boxes, they give you a bag, so if you want to return things, and it's free shipping.
It looks like they ship from Florida.
Yes, yeah.
But it takes a while to get your clothes.
So they give you a little note. Yeah, so it's just thanking you for taking a part in the subscription box, and it's just basically telling you that if you buy at least 3 items, you receive a 25% discount. You have to check out and return items within 3 days on the app, and they just have to leave feedback and that kind of stuff, and then they have their Instagram tagged there, which we can put in the description box below, and then they also have styled outfits, so like little cards.
I don't see the note in here, but in other unboxing videos we've seen people getting notes that say that most of their clothing items don't have brand names on them, so that's a little interesting. Not really sure how that works, but
yeah, and in those videos they say in the note, it just explains that that's how they're able to keep their prices so low, because they're getting the clothing straight from the manufacturer. So it's a little some food for thought. All right, ooh, okay, this is already
Francesca's.
Great. So this is a Francesca's choker. I was not expecting that. That's awesome. It's very cute. I'm a huge fan. It's really cute. I was not expecting that. So I'm a huge fan of this already.
The clothing items only, they don't say what the brand is at all.
Yeah.
So interesting, but
okay, so right, and okay, the first thing I'm seeing is an ASOS, actually.
Oh, what?
An ASOS denim skirt.
Every video we've watched, no one's gotten brand name stuff.
So this is already interesting. So it's an ASOS denim skirt. It looks really cute. I'm interested to see how it looks on. Okay, wow.
Yeah, what? Kind of surprised.
Shook. Really surprised. Because this is from ASOS, but
maybe that's why we didn't get the note, because they probably sent you all name brand stuff.
Maybe, yeah. Because on the app and also on like selected items in the note, it says denim wrapped skirt and washed black. So it doesn't associate the brand with the item you receive or you select. So it's interesting. Okay. So more Francesca earrings.
Something I'd wear.
Interesting.
They need to be trimmed a little bit.
Yeah, that was a little crazy at the bottom, but those are cute. Got this t-shirt. Very interesting. I like graphic tees, so this is cute. Wear it with the denim skirt, depending on how that looks. Wow, pleasant surprise. And then, oh, these are interesting.
Wait, did you pick those? I don't think you picked those.
I think that's what these are, but I didn't think that these were these. Okay,
they're like a split hem?
Okay, so this is like, these are like so this is Misguided. These are like, they're called skinny fit cigarette pants. I thought it was just skinny jeans when I picked it, but these are like, they're very stretchy. I think they're supposed to be like a formal pant.
Maybe, I don't know.
But they almost feel like a legging. But like they look like they're formal. Interesting. Okay. Well, now comes the time where I try it all on. Okay, so let's get right into it, I guess. So here is the skirt from ASOS and the graphic tee from Pieces. I really liked both of these items and I ended up keeping both of them. The black skirt, it just fit really well, and I'm a huge fan of graphic tee, so yeah, it was this was a win for me. And so these were the pants from Misguided. They were really long. I wasn't a huge fan of the cut in the front, and they were just kind of really baggy around the waist and in the front. This is the choker from Francesca's. I was a huge fan of this, and I ended up actually keeping it. It's just really cute and delicate. And these are the earrings from Francesca's. While I'm a huge fan of the whole tassel trend, I wasn't crazy about the flower accent, and I didn't really like how they were frayed at the bottom, so I didn't choose to keep them. And we're back. This time Lena has now gotten her package.
Yeah, I think Meg got hers on a Monday and I just got mine today. It's a Friday. It took a while for the boxes to ship out, but once they were shipped it came really fast. Like I just got the notification yesterday that was coming from Florida and I just got it today in California. So that was really fast. So yeah, after seeing Meg's box, I'm a little curious to see what I'm going to get. I kind of forgot slightly what I picked, but the mailbox or the return package. I'm obviously not able to talk. These are my styled outfits. I'm pretty sure I picked the black skirt, this like polka dot crop top, jeans, this floral shirt, and some earrings. So we'll see how that turns out, and then just the usual stuff that Meg already read, like you have 3 days to return everything, try it on, blah blah. So I'll go ahead and open this up. Okay, so the first thing is a shirt. Oh gosh. Oh, I don't wear anything like this. Okay, this doesn't have a tag on it, so I don't know where it's from.
I don't think
it doesn't look like the picture, so this is a little interesting. I don't.
Yeah, no,
this is not
the same top.
Oh wait, no.
No, the picture here, it shows it has like little buttons. You can see it has like little buttons, and there's like off the shoulder like detailing and ruffles, and this is like strappy.
Okay, so now yeah, so it looks like you tie the straps up at top, and I never wear anything. So I'm a little nervous about this. Not what the picture looked like whatsoever. Okay, that has no brand name, which is kind of disappointing because Meg's all had like brand labels on it. This one has a label though, but it's by Neon Rose. I'll have to see what it looks like.
I mean, it looks cute.
Yeah,
and it's a very bright color.
Yeah, I don't really wear orange. It kind of looks like a pirate top, but like I don't know
I'm sure
the details on the bottom. But yeah, I'll try it on and see what that looks like.
Breathable, so it'll be nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here's a skirt which I've been excited about, and this is from Misguided. So hopefully that fits.
Really
I don't know it. Okay, this should probably fit. It's just like a black.
It's really cute.
Distressed
like the little
skirt, which is exciting because I've been wanting a skirt. Hopefully it fits. Fingers crossed. These are my pair of earrings. Oh, these are big. Cute. Fashion jewelry. That's I don't know whatever that is, but yeah, we'll see. I don't really have hoops or anything. The string's kind of a little messed up. Yeah, frayed. Yeah, so we'll try see what those are like. And my last item was a pair of jeans. and they have no label on them. They look very sheer. Look at this.
Not sure you guys can see.
Yeah, I'm holding it up to the light and you could literally see everything through it.
It's distressed. Did you know that?
Yeah, I knew it was supposed to be distressed, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to show everything. Like, I could literally see the pockets through the back, like from the front. So, and the button just says jeans on it. So, I don't think, yeah, these are definitely not a brand label. So, way different than Meg's box. I did not get anything from Francesca's, but the only name brand thing I got was the orange shirt and the skirt. So I'm nervous to try it on, but hopefully at least the skirt and the shirt work out. The orange shirt, because I don't know if I can pull off the polka dot top. Alright, so I'm gonna go try everything on. Wish me luck. See you guys in a second. So I ended up really liking the black skirt. The polka dot shirt, on the other hand, was just completely not what I asked for, not what was in the picture that was online, and we noticed that there was some weird stitching happening, and yeah, it just didn't work out. It wasn't the best quality either. It was super sheer, so definitely not keeping this one. So I clearly can't keep a straight face in this outfit. The shirt was just too short on me and I just wasn't crazy about how it fit. The pants completely see-through, and yeah, they were definitely not worth $60 for something that wasn't even a brand label, I guess you could say. It just wasn't flattering on me at all. The earrings were really heavy and not really the best quality, so I decided to send those back.
So as you can see, we had two very different experiences. I think it was kind of expected for these inconsistencies to happen, just because we know it is a newer brand, and so we're obviously very understanding of that. Yeah, it was just a little odd that the polka dot shirt that I picked is like completely different than the one I actually received, and the quality just wasn't very good. The white jeans completely see-through, like super thin material, like obviously not very good quality at all, and it was like $60, which doesn't sound right to me at all. Like if it was a name brand like pair of jeans, like maybe I would understand that, but yeah, it was yeah, and the orange shirt just like really wasn't my style. So as you saw in the clips and you heard us describe, yeah, we had two different experiences with the boxes. Even though Lena wasn't necessarily happy with the actual items as they came here, one thing we do have to admit though is that they did really listen to what we wanted. I was kind of all over the place in what I was saying. Like, I really love streetwear, I love like sneakers, jeans, denim graphic tees, but I also like professional wear. And in the two outfits that they gave me to like choose items from, it showed that. So even though I ended up picking most of the streetwear items, they still did give me the option for professional wear. I would say they didn't really listen to me, because I mainly asked for items that I could wear for student teaching, and that like the items didn't necessarily have to be super like businessy, because our site school is more casual. But obviously what they picked out for me I cannot wear to the elementary school, so I mean, yeah, they tried, but it's okay. So yeah, so these have been our experiences with the boxes. We do have discount codes. We each have one. I think you get 20% off. So if you want to try it out just to see what happens, you could obviously use our code to help you pay for some of the items. The thing that's nice is that they don't have a styling fee, so if you don't like anything, you can send everything back without free of cost, and you won't be charged for like any styling fee that you didn't use. I mean, that's a plus if you're just curious to see what you might get, because like Meg, she got some really nice things, and me, I got like one. So you know, whatever. But yeah, so we hope you guys liked this video, and if you want us to continue making videos like that, please let us know in the comments below. And if you're not already, please subscribe. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.